bedroom worth its salt must have 3 things: style, comfort, and serenity. As far as this master bedroom, check, check, and check. This beautiful king-size bed is upholstered in a soft gray linen and loaded with neutral pillows that have a very calming vibe. But this bed just doesn't look good. It is also completely adjustable and can automatically adjust throughout the night to keep you sleeping soundly. It's the perfect scale for this massive vaulted space. A wall of windows and a row of automated skylights let in plenty of light when you want it, but shut it out completely for a good night's sleep. To add some dimension to this massive room, I had the walls covered in a diagonally run paneling. This way, this neutral palette has a little oomph. Pretty much the only real pattern in here are the drapes, which help frame the view and create just enough contrast. On the floor, I layered 2 rugs to give the room a little extra cushioning and texture. I also added this comfy seating area in front of the bed by using 2 barrel chairs and an upholstered ottoman. I love bedrooms that have another place to sit other than the bed. A large dresser and sleek metallic nightstands add lots of functional storage. This is the kind of master bedroom meant to keep you cool, calm, and collected.